premiering in 60 seconds. Oh, and before I react to this video when it premieres live, I'll be grabbing my cakey plushie. Oh, and I'll be grabbing some snacks.
Warning. One scene contains Sofia singing the nursery rhyme Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. If you don't like nursery rhymes, as it says, you either leave the video or even mute the video. Viewer discretion is advised.
Thanks for putting a trigger warning into this video. Oh, and you might not know, I'll be putting a trigger warning into my reaction video. This video is rated E. Yeah! Yay! So, what's this challenge all about?
It's the stomach rubbing contest. Whoever stomach growls the most will win.
Oh, I get it!
12 seconds later.
Sofia, do you think you can handle my potato chips?
Oh, potato chips! How delicious! I'm eating oranges. Do you think your stomach can handle my matcha latte?
Oh, it's on. Tasty.
Yummy! Whoa! Looks like my belly is taking the competition.
Mine too.
Oh no, what was that noise?
Relax, Valen. It's just Jaden and Sophia's tummies growling.
Oh really? That's a relief.
You think your tummy has enough, Jaden? Wait till you see. That's Andrew's world. Those music. My cookies!
Ha! Your cookies are no match for my hot dog.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, cookie star. How I wonder how sweet you are.
Ha! I like my hot dog topped with mustard. Yummers.
Wow, that was tasty. Wow, looks like my delicious cookies topped with sprinkles made my tum-tum grumble.
Well, it looks like I'm ready for the final round. Let's see if my belly can handle my donut.
Well, I guess it's time for my stomach to feed it some. To buy chocolate.
A few moments later.
Yum! That was chocolicious! Uh-oh. I think my tummy couldn't handle the food longer. I think my belly's about to start an earthquake. Huh, guess that didn't start an earthquake. Whoa! What the heck is happening?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I win! Excuse me. And that's it. Jaden put it to a lot of evidence video. Nice work, Jaden. I think I win.